In this module, we're going to use Postman to access some APIs. So I'm going to start on the beacon, go to full screen, hit the escape key, give us our browser tabs and our taskbar, and here's Postman. So I'm going to double click on that. So now I'm going to click on collection, import, and now it's looking for a file. The configuration files on the desktop here, drag that into my window, and then click on import. Now I'm going to click on environment, create an environment, label this your student number. Now under the environment on the right side, you click on student 01, and now there's a check mark next to the environment. And now we're using the student environment. Now we're going to add a new variable. So I'm going to click on the row below the variable header and type in all caps, refresh token, hit tab, go to the initial value, and to get the value I'll need to go to Flexera One. Under your profile picture, go to user settings, and then click on API credentials, create the API refresh token, and then click on copy to put that into the clipboard. Return back to Postman, click on the initial value field, and then paste that value in. And we'll click on save here, and we'll add our second variable. This one will be org, capital ID for org ID, that's your tenant number. Under initial value, we're going to need the 5-digit code from the tenant. So I'm going to go back to Flexera One, go back to our tenant, and you'll see this 5-digit number in the address, 30287 in my case. So 30287, and hit save. Now if I go to collections on the left, expand Flexera One, let's try the first call, the request the access token, click on send. So now I'll click on get org capabilities, click on send, and now I return our capability names for this org. There's FlexNet or ITAM, IAM, cloud, policies, reclamation.